Bulingit ka nga bata, oh. Bulingit ikaw, nak? What's wrong?
It hurts.
It hurts? How are you to find out? Welcome back to our channel, guys. It is Sunday and panibagong vlog na naman to. I have my little Paris here with me. Say hi, anak. Paris, ako. Paris, ako. Ayan, nanonood kasi siya ng niyang iPad niya, oh. Kaya hindi siya nagbali-bali. May lakad tayo ngayon, guys. Aalis kami ng bahay kasi may bibilhin si Daddy Mike sa shop. Si Mike na lang yung papasok. Tapos, yeah, he's gonna buy whatever he wants to buy. Tapos, balik na kami ng sasakyan. However, naka-aura pa rin sa atin nyo. Kasi alam nyo naman, pag weekend lang tayo nakakapag ganito-ganito sa ating mukha. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. I'm gonna quickly show you my outfit for today, guys. So, ito yung outfit natin for today, guys. And nakadress si ate. Tingnan nyo, oh. Diba? Naka-cherry print, ganyan. Tapos, naka-espadrilles lang tayo. And then, black bag. Ayan. And then, si Paris. The same pala yung outfit namin ni Paris ngayon. Come, anak. Come. Come. Show in the mirror. Show in the mirror. Wow! O, diba? Tingnan nyo yung outfit niya, guys.
It's cleaning.
Cleaning. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, diba? Nakadress din siya ng cherries. Ganyan. Pero, nilagyan ko ng jacket sa ibabaw kasi maginaw sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Diba? Twinings kami ni Paris ngayon. Anak. Pati ang buhok, guys. Oh, twinings. Ginanyan ko rin yung buhok niya. Ayan. Tapos yung sa akin, tingnan nyo. Oh. Diba? Pinalibot ko lang ng ganyan kasi hindi ako naligo, guys. Yes. Hindi naligo si ate nyo. Kaya yung buhok ay ginanyan na lang para hindi masyadong malagkit tingnan. Anyways, yan yung pa-outfit natin today. O, diba? Parang hindi lang winter. Pero may jacket naman ako, guys. Tingnan nyo yung jacket natin, guys. Oh, very makapal. Oh, ayan. Anyways, alis na kami, guys, kasi it's getting late. I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye! And here's Daddy Mike, guys. Naka-mask siya. Kasi kailangan mag-mask pag pumasok sa shop. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi na kami papasok ni Paris para hindi na kami mag-mask ng ganyan ba. Si Mike na lang kasi mabilis lang naman siya. What are you gonna get from the shop, Daddy?
Just some games for my new PlayStation.
Yes. That's right. Anyways, we're gonna go now, guys, kasi, uy, not the hair. Hindi yan niya pinapahawakan ng kanyang hair pag natapos na niyang gawin yan, guys. Ayan na si Paris, guys. Alam, mahangin sa labas. Wala rin si Haring Araw. Nak, check the mailbox, Nak! Yay! Check the mailbox, Biba. Sina ay nagkuan. Nagdalaw, 1 million sa ato. Open na! Anything? Uy! Junk mail man, anak. They give it to Mama, baby.
That's fine.
Yeah, we'll throw it away. Oh, hi, how are you? Come, it's very windy. Then, hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. How are you? It's cold, is it? Say hi, Satna. Baby girl. Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Satna.
Mommy did it.
Oh, yes. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, the same dress kami. Come on, Mama will turn on the car na. Do you want to hold your iPad? Yeah.
Mommy, you.
Look, yeah, pick up na anak. Ilabay sa basurahan, anak. They give it to Mama Vicky. We'll throw it in the bin. Thank you very much. Well, ayun, anak, Vicky. Buling kayo na, anak. Wait for Mama. Want to hold your iPad? Yeah, hold it, Mama will turn the car on.
Daddy.
Hold it, Daddy, please.
Daddy's got a mask.
Doctor. Doctor no, Daddy.
No, this is for Daddy. Give Daddy a kiss.
No, it's yeah. Paris.
Does Paris have one? I'm gonna get Paris one. Hold on.
Your daddy will get you one, honey.
It's Daddy's.
Smile.
Smile!
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Nah, that's literally a face mask. Like, it covers all your face.
Thumbs up.
Wow! Beautiful. Good job.
Daddy.
Guys, nagmask na lang kami kasi kailangan talagang magmask dito sa loob ng shops. Tingnan niyo si Paris. Ubuti na lang si Paris. Hindi niya tagtangon. Lumabas din ako, guys, kasi while nandito na kami, it's good na bilhin ko na lang yung mga kailangan ko din dito. Honey. Kaya mamaya na ako mag-chika, guys, ha, kasi nandito na kami. Hi guys! Nandito lang muna kami sa park kasi anong oras na ngayon? Mag-aalas 3 na and bumili kami ng pagkain namin, oh. Magpipiknik-piknik muna kami dito, guys. Bago kami umuwi kasi gusto namin i-release muna ni Paris yung kanyang energy ba. Kasi pag uwi namin, for sure, magnanap na to siya. Bulingit ka nga bata, oh. Bulingit ikaw, Nat? What's wrong?
It hurts.
It hurts? Ayun, maglalaro muna siya dito, guys ba? Dito lang, oh, sa, takbo-takbo lang. May park pala doon, yan, guys. Oh, may playground. Pero, bawal siya pa laruan. Paris, come back, my love. Tapos sabi ni Mike, mamaya na lang tayo umuwi. Like, dito muna tayo sa park para makapag ganyan si Paris. Oh, tingnan niyo. Maglalaro siya ng ganyan ba?
Come. Hey. You throw it.
Throw it.
2,000 years later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's now 8:25 ng gabi. Ay, 26 na pala. Ayan, so ngayon lang kami ulit nakapag-vlog kasi kayo ng hapon nag-live kami to announce the winners ng ating giveaway. And maraming salamat sa inyo sa nag-join sa ating live. Thank you very much. And also, congratulations sa mga nanalo ng 50 pesos load each. I know, I always say this, sobrang liit lang ng giveaway natin. But galing yun sa puso ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nag-appreciate. Ang aking anak ay nandito pala sa aking likuran. Ang tingnan nyo, kami, oh. Twinnings kami ng dress. Anak, show sa your dress, nakbe. Tita and tito na, quick! Pas! So, kaninang hapon nga, diba, pumunta kami ng shops and nag-mask na talaga kami kasi tawag dito, parang sinabi na talaga ng government na pag pumupunta ka ng mga shops, kailangan magsuot ka na ng mask. Kaya, nag-mask kami kanina and pumasok na rin ako kasi gusto kong bilhin yung gusto kong bilhin. Ipapakita ko pala sa inyo yung binili ni Daddy Mike sa shops. Ito pala yung binili niya, guys. Ayan. So, yung PS4 na mga tape. So, ito is UFC 3, NBA, and this one. So, yan yung binili niya, guys. Kasi, di ba last month, we celebrated our 4 years of being together. And sa video ko na yun, na-mention ko na when it comes to regalo, Mike and I, we are very practical ba. So, pag nagre-regalo kami sa isa't isa, we always make sure na yun talaga yung gusto namin and yun talaga yung kailangan namin. Kaya that day, wala kaming naibigay talaga sa isa't isa. Apart from, alam nyo yun, yung flowers, yung mga ganon-ganon. But, teka muna guys, yung ating baby ay nagsisinamok eh. There you go. It's open na. Gusto niyang ipa-open to. Yung regalo namin para sa isa't isa, binili namin online kasi nga lockdown din naman. And yung gusto talaga namin is online lang siya mabibili. So yung binili ko para kay Mike is yung PS4. Kaya yung mga binili niya is ganito, yung mga laro. Kasi hindi pa pala dumating, guys. In order ko siya, I can't remember. Last week, sometime last week, tapos hindi pa siya nakarating. But sa tracking number, sabi na it's coming tomorrow, I think. And also, I am very excited din kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung binili sa akin ni Daddy Mike for our anniversary. And ginamit ko na to siya kahapon. And again today, kahit nasa ano lang kami, naglakad-lakad lang kami. Pero nagamit ko na to siya, guys. It is... Ding, ding, ding. Ayan. I'm very happy, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Dream bag ko rin to siya, guys. Lahat naman siguro dream bag ko. But, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike sa akin for our anniversary. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. So, maliit lang siya. Mini bag lang siya. And, ewan ko, hindi ko nga alam kung kakasya ba dito yung nappy ni Paris tsaka mga wipes niya. But, gusto ko lang ng ganito kasi... Ewan ko, yung parang ano lang, when you run errands, yung ganon, just grab it and go. Kayun lang. Yung malalagay lang dito is yung phone and seriously, kahit yung phone, hindi mahirap ikasya yung phone. Oh, yung phone ko pala is iPhone 8 Plus. Pasensya na, guys, always napuputol ang ating pag-vlog dito kasi ang ating baby girl ay very makulit is... Sobrang makulit talaga. Ayan, kaya binigyan ko ng iPad para mag-ano. Pero super cute yung dress namin, guys. No? Tingnan niyo kasi Paris, guys, ha? Mama, what's this print na? What's this?
Cherries.
Cherries. That's right. Parehas talaga kami ng sinuot today, guys. Kasi, why not, diba? Anyways, back to the bag, guys. Ito nga. So, originally, yung gusto ko talagang kulay is yung pink. Yung blush pink ba? Tapos, yung silver hardware. Ngayon, kasi sabi ni Mike na get a black one kasi it's more ano daw yung bang you can pair it with everything. Kaya... Yun, and then yung bestie ko pala, si bestie Ron ko, sabi niya, maybe get a black one kasi may pink ka na. Diba yung isang bag ko na pink, bigay din sa akin ni Mike nung Christmas 2019, yun yung binigay niya sa akin na bag. And that was pink, kaya sabi ng bestie ko na, just go with a black one kasi wala ka pang black na maliit. Kaya, yan guys. And gusto ko to kasi, tingnan nyo, adjustable yung strap niya. And you know na, parang short girls problem ba? Na I'm only 4'11", kaya I need something na parang na-adjust yung kanyang strap para naman hindi tayo magbukhang indaya, mag-walking na very mahaba. Pero yan lang yan siya tingnan, guys, oh. Yan lang. Still mahaba pa siya, kailangan kong i-ano. Pero yan. It's very nice. So, Mike also bought this one online. Na-receive namin to siya Friday, but hindi na ako nakagawa ng unboxing kasi si ate nyo is very excited. Alam nyo na, makaka-relate kayo sa akin pag may mga regalo na mga ganyan. Wala lang time na i-grab yung camera kasi open na agad-agad. So, yan guys, pakita ko yung loob. Sabi ko na nga, it is very tiny sa loob. Tingnan nyo. Meron siyang compartment dito, tapos merong zipper sa likod, and then here sa harapan, and yung mga ganyan-ganyan lang, oh, nasa loob. So, yung malalagay ko lang dito talaga is yung phone ko, tapos yung maybe a compact wallet, yun lang. Ayan. And it came in this box, and this, how do you call this one? The dust bag. Ayan. But I'm very, very happy and ewan ko, I'm so in love with this handbag. And kahit meron na akong ibang mga handbag, hindi pa rin. Parang, alam nyo, I don't know if you can relate to yung mga girl problem ba, na parang we can never have enough handbags. So, sobrang cute lang talaga niya, guys. Ayan, oh. So, siguro pag si Paris lumaki na, I can give it to her. Maybe first bag niya. Ayan, kasi sobrang liit niya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Parang isang lang. Isang kamay lang. But yeah, it was very nice of Daddy Mike to, very nice and very sweet of Mike to actually get this for me. Pero alam kasi niya ito talaga yung gusto kong bag. Kaya ito yung binili niya para sa akin. Anak ko. Sobrang in love ko lang talaga sa bag na ito, guys. By the way, guys, if you are actually into luxury handbags and fashion and style, I hope you consider nyong i-check yung channel ng aking friend, Miss Photogenic in Style by Jen. Ilalagay ko yung pangalan ng channel niya dito, guys, para makita nyo. So again, if you're into bags, shoes, clothing, fashion, and everything, please do visit her channel, guys, and siguradong magugustuhan nyo talaga. Kasi pag nanonood ako ng mga videos niya, guys, naglalaway talaga ako. Kaya make sure to check her out, guys, pag may time kayo, ha? And then, nung pumunta kami ng shops kanina, yung binili ko pala sa Priceline is ito. So, nagbili ako ng gapas, ayan, cotton. And then, ang tawag dito, yung contact lens solution. Ito yung pinaka-cheap talaga kasi yung iba sobrang mahal. And I think like yung mga brands na ganito, yung bang parang generic lang ba, it works fine naman, kaya ito na yung pinili ko kaysa yung iba. Ito siya, I think it was $4. Tapos yung iba talaga na normally binibili ko, it was around $16 or $17. Kaya, go figure. Ito yung binili ko. And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Before natin end yung vlog natin, of course, hindi natin makakalimutang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagong nag-subscribe. Sana na-i-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And we will do a quick shout-out sa ating mga mahal na subscribers. The first shout-out goes to Jasmine Visperas. Shout-out to Apple Evangelista, Chilay Fancherer, Mayan Lozada, and also shout-out to Jeffrey Scott. Shout-out to Jonalyn Diongson from Negros Occidental, Cook with Love. Shout-out from Delia Rolago and her kids. Shout-out to Imelda Malinag, Nori Aliada, Perla Gallo. Ano ko, you okay?
Yeah, watching.
Watching, okay. Shout out to Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal. Gloria Bustos from Jensan. Shout out to Eileen Gagno, Helen Abiertas, Ramelin Rarela, Elsie Maglangit, Mark Jan Tulao Official, Mayet Escame, Mary Jane Yes Masbanwa, Jennifer Apan, Daya Magallanes, Maria Lalaine Carisma, Joreen Balatan from Bicol Albay. Shout out to Ristine Santos, JK, Mitch Salas, Mergy Canonio, Flora Ferrer, Nancy Cornejo, Janet Marasigan, Junadel Gallardo, Soulmate, Cynthia Granadil, Holger Simonson, Shane Abastas, Feli Toledo, Rosario Saballe, Rosana Hidalgo, Mylene Franco, Evelyn Ramirez, Elnora Grinja from Japan, Shen Manimog, Benji Canonio. Shout out to Eden, Chari Tamayo, Moy Moy, Edacor, Odessa Dunghil, Amay Vargas, Sharon Ando, Arnel Pasatiempo, Janet Gordon, Los Viminda Pulido, Rebecca Zuniga, Norberta Nono, Fe Guarnes, Nix Gonzalez, Teresita Abaluyan, and November Girl _74. And that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Wait. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, say be careful now.
Bye.
Be careful.
Bye.
Be careful.
Careful.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Are you?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Flank is na.